Some trucks are built for the show scene. Some are built to be driven hard. But every once in a while, one gets built straight from the heart. This is Hermano, a 1986 Chevy Silverado built by Earl Brignac out of Houston, Texas. And this build, it's more than sheet metal and horsepower. It's a rolling tribute to Earl's little brother, Sean. Sean was born in 1986, so this truck, this year, this model, that wasn't an accident. Every bolt I turned was for him, Earl says. 4 years, over $150,000. And now, Hermano sits as one of the cleanest and most meaningful trucks you'll see anywhere. The body mods are subtle, but tight. Earl grabbed a new grille from LMC truck, stepping it back to a 1984 C10 look. Both bumpers were tucked and shaved. Fresh United Pacific lighting front and rear ties it all together. And the paint? That call went to his wife, Acme. Tan with candy orange, laid down by Robert Meza at Alamo Customs in Alvin, Texas. Let's just say she nailed it. Under the hood? Oh yeah, now we're talking. A rebuilt 5.3-liter LS from a 2003 Chevy, blueprinted and balanced by Joker Rod Shop in San Antonio. Stage 2 Comp Cam, Holley intake, Terminator X Max fuel system, Summit headers into a full 2.5-inch exhaust. Acme chassis factory handled the mounts, locking everything in tight. Backed by a 4L60E with a B and M 2600 stall converter and a custom cooler. Even the fuel tank is custom stainless. Stopping power comes from CPP disc brakes front and rear, a Willwood Master, and hydroboost. Underneath it all, a full custom Acme chassis, boxed and bagged at all 4 corners, laid out when it parks, smooth when it rolls. And let's talk wheels, because wow, 22x8 billet specialties up front, and monster 24x15s out back, wrapped in Venom Power Ragnarok GTS tires. Inside, Chris Pate at MTI Automotive Designs brought it home with Relicate leather, a billet steering wheel, and a Pioneer 10-inch touchscreen. Hermano has already hit SEMA 2024 and Autorama, and when asked if he'd change anything, Earl just smiled. Nah, it's perfect. This build was for my brother. It's exactly what I wanted it to be. This isn't just a truck. This is love, grief, pride, and legacy. This is Hermano,